Good morning, students. Class 6, Unit 5, Statistics. What do you mean by statistics? Statistic is nothing but the practice of collecting and analyzing numerical data in larger quantities. Data. Data means the numerical informations or facts collected are known as data. Types of data. On the basis of collections, data are of two types. They are primary data, secondary data. Primary data. Primary data means the raw data which has just been collected from the original source and has not gone any kind of statistical treatment like sorting and tabulations. Examples of primary data. First one, list of absentees in the class. Second one, a survey on writing habits of students conducted by a pen manufacturing company. Third one, the types of leaves collected by students for studying nature. Secondary data. Secondary data consists of second-hand information which has already been collected. It would have been collected by someone other than the user for some other purposes. Examples of secondary data. First one, the headmaster collects the students' absentees list from school office. Second one, cricket score gathered from a website. Third one, data from televisions and newspapers. The last one, list of contact numbers from telephone directory. Organizing data. The collected data are to be arranged methodically or logically so that the information can be looked up fast whenever needed, easily and efficiently. The method of organizing the data is discovered as follows. The data collected is organized usually in a tally marks table. The organized data can be represented using a pictograph or a bar graph. Tally marks. The occurrence of each information is marked by a vertical line. Every fifth tally is recorded by a striking through the previous four vertical line as is like this. Shall we move to exercise 5.1? First question. The collected information is called data. Second one, an examples of primary data is a list of absentees in a class. Third, an examples of a secondary data is cricket score gathered from a website. Fourth one, the tally marks for number 8 in standard form is, the first four lines would be vertical line and the fifth line would be a diagonal line across the previous fourth line. Okay children, next you draw three lines, three vertical line. So the answer 8. Second question, Vijay threw a dice 30 times and noted down the result each times as follows. Prepare a table on the numbers shown using tally marks. Here number of dice appears. The number of dice appears is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Write the solution. Face of dice, tally marks, frequency. The first face of dice is 1. The number of dice appears in 1 is 3. So tally marks, draw 3 vertical line, the frequency 3. Next 2 tally marks, number of ties appears 2. So 2 vertical line you draw, next frequency is 2. 3 number of ties appears 2. So draw 2 vertical line, frequency 2. 4 the tally marks 6, frequency write 6. 5 9 draw the vertical line, first 4 line you draw, next cross out 5th line, next you draw 4 vertical line, the total is 9. So frequency 9. Face of dice 6. So number of dice appears 8. So draw the tally marks. First you draw 4 vertical line, the 5th one put cross out. Next you draw 3 vertical line. So write the frequency 8. Total 30. Third question. The following list tells colors liked by 25 students. Prepare a table using tally marks. Here some colors are given. From this question, we understand that we should list out the colors. So, in the first row, there is one red. In the second row, no red. In the third row, 2 reds are there. In the fourth row, there is no red. In the fifth row, at last there is one red is there. So, now we can classify all the colors from the tally marks like this. Okay, student. Let's write the solution. First, you draw the tabular column, colors, tally marks, frequency. The first color is red. In the question, how many reds are there? Yes, 4. So, draw in tally marks 4 lines. So, frequency write 4. Next, blue color. In the question, how many blues are there? Yes, 6. So, you draw first 4 lines, 5th line, cross out. Next, draw 1 line. So, write frequency 6. Next, white. In the question, how many whites are there? Yes, only 2. So, draw tally marks 2 lines. Frequency write 2. Next color, grey. Grey, how many colors are there? Yes, 7. So, draw tally marks 7. Frequency write 7. Next, green color. In the question, how many greens are there? Yes, 6. So, draw tally marks 6 lines. Write the frequency 6. The total is 25. Fourth question. The following are the marks obtained by 30 students in a class test out of 20 in mathematics subject. Here 30 students marks is given. You find out, prepare a table using tally marks. Write the solution. First, you draw the tabular column, numbers, tally marks and frequency. The first mark is 11. Who and all you take in 11 marks? Only 2 students. So, draw tally marks 2 vertical line. Frequency is 2. Next, 12. Tally marks. Draw 5. Frequency 5. 13. 4 students. So, draw 4 vertical line. Frequency 4. 14. 4 students, you draw the tally marks for vertical line and write frequency 4. 15. 6. So draw the tally marks. First you draw 4 lines. Next fifth line striked out. Next you draw one vertical line. The total is frequency is 6. 16. 4 vertical line. Frequency 4. 17. Only 2 students. So draw tally marks 2. Write the frequency 2. 18. Only 1 student. So frequency is 1. 19. Only 1 student. Draw 1 vertical. Frequency 1. 20. Only 1 student. Draw the vertical line tally marks. Frequency 1. The total student is 30. Next, fifth question. The table shows the number of calls recorded by a fire service stations in 1 year. Look at the tabular column. Types of calls, tally marks, frequency. The first one, building fires, is tally marks is given, frequency is not missing. Next, other fires, 11 tally marks is given, frequency missing. Hazardous materials, tally marks is missing, frequency 7 is given. Rescues, tally mark missing, frequency is 4. False alarm, tally marks is given, frequency is missing. You find out the total. So write the solution. First you draw the tabular column. Types of calls, tally marks, frequency. The first one is building fires. Yes, 6 tally marks. Write the frequency is 6. Other fires, tally marks is 11. Frequency 11. Hazardous materials, draw 7 tally marks and write the frequency 7. Rescues, 4. Draw 4 vertical line in tally marks. The answer frequency is 4. False alarm, 7 tally marks. So frequency is 7. The total is 35. First question. Which types of calls was recorded the most? Yes, other fires. Second one. Which types of calls was recorded the least? Rescues. Very good. Next, third one. How many calls were recorded in all? The total is 35. How many calls were recorded as false alarm? Yes, 7. So the answer is 7. Next, objective type questions. Sixth one. The tally marks for the number 7 in standard form is? Which one is the correct answer? Yes, B. Seventh question. The tally marks, first 4 vertical lines, next fifth is striked out, and after 4 line is there, represents the number count. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the answer is yes, 9. Okay students, today's class is over. Thank you children.